4-pounders in the boat. There's my number one. I gotta keep trying these new, what, lily pads? That's my number one. Oh, and we're at Donkey Land today. We didn't even do an intro. Wind's blowing 25 plus. Beards and Bass is over there. But there's number one, Pretty Fish.
Pretty Fish. Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at it. Right where I got the little needle. Number two. We ain't gonna count this. Common man with spool hip. With spool hip. Reeling. Got me back right here. Just fine. There's Lindy's number one, Pretty Fish. Let me double check right there. Lindy is one, and I got three. He did, that was right at the boat. Tack mode. What color was that one on? Dug in or something.
The summer wind came blowing in from across the sea. It lingered there to touch your hair and walk with me. All summer long we sang a song, and then we strolled that golden sand. Two sweethearts and the summer wind, like painted kites, those days and nights, they went flying by. The world was new beneath a blue umbrella sky. Then softer than a piper man, one day it called to you. I lost you to the summer wind. The autumn wind and the winter winds, they have come and gone. And still the days, those lonely days, they go on and on. And guess who sighs his lullabies through
Lindy is number 2. Turn around, Lindy. Look the other way. Turn around, face the other way. Yes. Fish, grind, dominate. Bruiser bait. There you go.
The summer wind.
Turn back around now. Simon says. Here's Lindy's number 2. That's what, 542? 542.
Warm summer wind.
No, it's not. What is it? 5-2. I'm in the lead.
The summer wind.
Pretty little guy. Splash.
Don't put them down yet.
There we go.
Follow the Moskwa down to Gonky Park, listening to the wind of change.
Yeah, look how gold her number 4 is.
Summer night,
I think it's pretty.
soldiers
Healthy
passing
fish.
by, listening to the wind of change.
Lindy is number 5 in the boat. 5-5. Boy, the wind's honking. Sure y'all can't hear anything today.
The world is closing in. Did you ever think that we could be so close, like brothers?
Yeah, dude, I lost about a
Futures in the air, can feel it everywhere. I'm blowing with the wind of change. Take me to the magic of the moment, on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow dream away. In the wind of change. Walking down the street, distant memories are buried in the past.
Now remember, you're in the channel now. We'll go back down there.
Follow the Moskwa.
I heard that air horn.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
don't get
I
it.
tried to call you and I couldn't get, but I heard that burp burp. We said, that's it. That's what he wanted.
Take me to the magic of the moment, on a glory night, where the children of tomorrow dream away.
Just Lord.
Change.
Thought he was gone.
The wind of change blows straight
Lindy is number 6.
to the face of time. Like
Put one in front of us, whirling.
then we ring the freedom bell for peace of mind. Play the balalaika, sing what my guitar wants to sing.
Load gray. Lindy is number 7. Boy, that bite has just stopped on us. We found some back here in the shallows that want to play.
Take me to the magic of the moment,
Number 7. I got 5.
where the children
Oh, he come back.
dream away. In the wind of change.
And you tugging number 8 to the boat. Decent fish. Not a giant, but fish is in there. There went your bait. What, number, what we say? 8? He said, I'm gonna leave you with it. Hold up number 8. Stay on, little guy. Hey, little guy.
I listen to the wind of my soul.
Little guy.
Where I'll end up, well, I think only God really knows. I've sat upon the setting sun, but never, 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 I never wanted water once. Never, never, never.
Maybe. I don't know if it's going to or not.
I listen to my words, but they fall far below. I let my music take me where my heart wants to go.
Ain't no big fish gonna be back here. That's a pretty darn good one. He stole it from me.
I swam upon the devil's lake.
There's Lindy's number 9.
Never, never,
Make sure I got
never.
number 9.
I'll never make the same mistake.
Number 9.
No, never, never, never.
Not too bad. Wow. Look at that guy go. Oh, get the net. That come out of nowhere back here. Wow, wow, man. There might be a few nice ones back
Ever since the days of old, men would search for wealth untold. They dig for silver and for gold and leave the empty holes. And way down south in the Everglades, where the black water rolls and the sawgrass waves, the eagles fly and the otters play in the land of the Seminoles. So blow, blow, Seminole wind, blow like you're never gonna blow again. I'm calling to you like a long lost friend, but I know who you are. And blow, blow from the Okeechobee all the way up to Micanopy, blow across the home
Number
of
11.
the Seminoles, the alligators and the gulls. Progress came and took its toll, and in the name of flood control, they made their plans and they drained the land. Now the glades are going dry. And the last time I walked in the swamp, I sat up on a cypress stump. I listened close and I heard the ghost of Osceola cry. Blow, blow, Seminole wind, blow like you're never gonna blow again. I'm calling to you like a long lost friend, but I know who you are. And blow, blow from the Okeechobee all the way up.
Look what Lindy has just brought in. We're gonna have to measure this
Across
thing.
the home of the Seminoles.
Can't get out of here without a whopper. Look at that joke. Alright, let me get my scale. There's Lindy with a 713. Almost another 8 pounds. 714. gonna call it? Hang on, hold still. 712, that's the official. That's another whopper of a fish. Wow. And we aren't in a foot of water. Get your picture of that. What number is that?
12.
Number 12, and we are getting ready to go. How about right here on that big one right at the end? Bam!